CAD is the heart of SolidWorks 2010, but there's much more to SolidWorks 2010 than CAD. It's really a complete design and engineering solution. Let's take a look at how design, simulation, product data management, sustainability, and documentation software work together at McCabe Tools. Like every product designer, Stephen is under the gun to deliver great designs on tight deadlines. Using SolidWorks 2010, he quickly brings his ideas to life, concentrating on engineering and innovation rather than on how to work his CAD tool. With every core function optimized, he's working smarter and faster than ever. Although Stephen's customers don't use CAD, they insist on seeing his power saw design in progress. Stephen uses SolidWorks eDrawings, included in SolidWorks 2010, to create interactive models that anyone can read. Just save the model as an eDrawing and fire off an email. Eric, another McCabe engineer, opened Stephen's design. He and Stephen review the design together and make a couple of adjustments. SolidWorks 2010's product data management capabilities allow authorized users to access Stephen's designs and ensure that all team members are working together from the latest version. These safeguards eliminate costly errors, scrap, and rework. Because Eric is located in a design center across the country from Stephen and collaborates with overseas manufacturers, the company has installed SolidWorks Enterprise PDM to replicate servers across all of its locations. SolidWorks Enterprise PDM also makes it easy for an engineer to search across a global organization and find approved designs for reuse. As a result, Steve and Eric don't have to waste time redesigning parts that the company already has, and the organization can keep its costs down. Eric likes what he sees in Stephen's design, but he thinks he can make it better. Simulation capabilities built into SolidWorks 2010 tell Eric if elements of the design are strong enough or stronger than they need to be, and he can adjust them accordingly. Since this is a potentially dangerous power tool, Eric's company has implemented SolidWorks Simulation Professional to run alternative analyses to ensure that there won't be any problems with buckling or heat. Eric can even simulate what would happen if someone dropped the tool onto a concrete shop floor. SolidWorks Simulation Professional highlights a vibration issue with Eric's design and proposes a solution. Eric accepts, quickly optimizing the design. Simulation and Simulation Professional reduce the time and expense of physical prototyping and help ensure designs are done right the first time. In fact, McCabe's warranty claims are down 30%. The design is now mechanically sound, but it's not complete. SolidWorks 2010 includes sustainability features that can assess part by part the environmental impact of any SolidWorks design. McCabe knows it will sell thousands of units of this power saw and has implemented SolidWorks Sustainability. This software gauges the impact of the entire power saw product across its environmental life cycle, from creation through disposal, including energy consumption through its usage phase. Sustainability helps Eric source a new, more eco-friendly raw material with a couple of mouse clicks. Now the design is done. Over in the Technical Publications Department, Robert is hard at work converting designs into user manuals, marketing collateral, and training materials. He's creating rich images directly from 3D models and saving them in a wide variety of formats for high-end printing. He can also create beautiful animations for the web. You might expect he will now go to work on the design Stephen created and Eric optimized. Actually, he finished that 3 days ago. Since 3D Via Composer is fully associated with SolidWorks, as Stephen and Eric updated the design data, Robert's documentation automatically updated. A year ago, he had to wait until designs were released to start working. But with 3D Via Composer, he started creating documentation when Stephen's design was 75% complete. So while Stephen and Eric are getting the product to market faster, Robert is taking care of the documentation to ensure quick sales and customer satisfaction. SolidWorks 2010, eDrawings, Enterprise PDM, Simulation Professional, Sustainability, and 3D Via Composer. It's CAD and a whole lot more to help you and your organization succeed.